Hi there, welcome back to Hackerrank Solution Series. So if you've been following along with me in my other videos, so far you must have 25 points. Exciting. We just need to get 10 more points to get our first star. Very exciting. Today's lesson is actually a really important one. Let's go ahead. It's called Python division. It's an easy one, but we just want to be sure what we are doing. First things first, remember this is the execution area. And up the top, you need to write a function that will actually satisfy the problem. So I'm not going to give it a name yet. I'm just going to go ahead and read what is asked from me. Then I'm going to give it a name and I'm going to complete it. But if you haven't seen my previous video, remember that this is going to be where we say, for example, oh, go do my garden and clean everything. The code is not going to go clean my garden until I call that function and say, hey, go do it, and it will go do it. Let's go ahead. What is the task? The provided code stub reads two integers. Yes, I can see that. A comes from the user, from the input. B also comes from the user, from the input. If you want to know how it looks, let me just copy it in my Jupyter notebook, which I have here to help me. So I'm just going to get A from the user after I run this, and then I will print it. Look at this. 5. There we go. It's 5. I asked myself, what do you want to put in? I put 5, and then the code was like, okay, you put 5. And that's the same for B. If I do, let's do this, ask the user for B, and then print it. Okay, the user says 158. And there you go. You put 158. So we have A and B from the user. And add logic to print two lines. So down here, I will add two print lines. What are they? The first line should contain the result of integer division, so A divided by B. The second line should contain the result of float division, again, A divided by B. But you might ask, well, what is the difference A /B and A/B? I'll show you really short. Before that, let me just make my function body or the general structure before I forget. I'm going to call it division because I know it's about dividing, and it's about two numbers, number 1 and number 2. You may ask, why did I not use A and B? Well, I want to keep A and B for what I'm getting from the user. Does it matter? It's just good practice. You could use A and B here up the top as well, but I just want to be a good programmer. So do that and write the word pass. Pass, you write pass when you are not ready to complete that code yet. So I just put the word pass as a placeholder so that I know that I have to come back to it. All right, so I have A and B here. What I will do, I will give A a bigger number. I will give A 158, and I will give B, I don't know, 7. If I print them for you again, I just want to make sure we know what we're doing. So I have 158 for A and 7 for B. Now, let's see what is the difference. A divided by B like this, that's 22. And A divided by B like this. The top one is called floor division. Floor division means how many healthy and full 7s can I find inside 158? Well, you can find 22 times 7 in 158. So what is that? 22 times 7 is 154. So there are 22 healthy and full 7s in 158, and then you've left with another 4 remaining. That's why you get a floating point division, which is A divided by B, just 1 slash. I hope that makes sense. So let's go ahead. That's what we want to give to the user. So we want to print num1, floor division num2. That's going to be line 1. And the second line will be just a float division. So print num1 divided by number 2. So is this going to run? Not really, because you have the do my gardening stuff, but you're not really calling it. So all you need to do is go ahead and call the function and pass A and B into it, because A will be your number 1, B will be your number 2. Let's run this code. Oh, great. Congratulations. it did work, and you have passed the sample test cases. Let's submit it. And once we submit it, we're good. Oh, look at us. Congratulations. I have earned my first star. That's very, very exciting. I can share it on my Facebook, on my Twitter handle, or on my LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and continue. Stay tuned for more videos on solving HackerRank problems. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, because I'm spending a lot of time preparing these videos. Thank you.